everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a zoom effect on a Filmorago apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the Filmorago apps, you just at the menu you can see this is a feature, and in here you can see on more. You just click on more on a feature. And after this you can see this is the zoom effect, so you just click on this one, and after this you can click on use. Click on use, and in here you can add the photo or video that you want to edit. I want to add the photo, so you just click on a photo, this one and this one, and after this you can click on next, this one, and please waiting. Okay, and after this you can see this is the zoom effect on a Filmorago apps. You can click the zoom effect that you want here on this one. Okay, okay, and after this you can click on apply to all from add the zoom transition to all your video, and after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add a zoom effect on Filmorago apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.